There's just something great about the sound of dice tumbling across a hard surface. The rattle, the pause, the collective inhale before the result is revealed. Dice offer something refreshingly tactile, a pocket-sized portal to suspense, strategy, and spontaneous laughter. In this video, you'll discover 4 classic dice games that are easy to learn, quick to play, and endlessly replayable. Few dice games carry as much personality as Ship Captain Crew. It feels nautical, competitive, slightly theatrical, and best of all, it's incredibly simple. To play, you will need 5 dice and 2 or more players. The object of the game is to roll a 6, known as your ship, then a 5, known as your captain, then a 4, known as your crew, in that order, within 3 rolls. On a turn, you get up to 3 rolls. However, there is a hierarchy you must respect. You must roll a 6 first. Only after securing a 6 can you keep a 5, and only after a 6 and a 5 are kept can you look for the 4. If you successfully collect 6, 5, 4 within 3 rolls, the remaining 2 dice become your cargo. Add them together. That total is your score for the round. No ship means no captain means no crew, and without a crew there is no cargo. Ship Captain Crew strikes a brilliant balance between luck and anticipation. It's fast-paced, yet each roll carries consequence. Players often groan dramatically when a 6 stubbornly refuses to appear, or cheer when a last roll miracle seals the deal. If Ship Captain Crew feels structured, going to Boston is pure arithmetic momentum. It's about squeezing the highest possible score out of 3 carefully executed rolls. To play, you will need 3 dice and 2 or more players. The object of the game is to achieve the highest total score after 1 complete turn. Each turn consists of exactly 3 rolls. First, roll all 3 dice. Set aside the die with the highest value. Roll the remaining 2 dice. Again, set aside the highest. Roll the final die. Add the 3 selected numbers together. That's your final score for the round. Going to Boston is straightforward. There are no complicated rules, no hierarchies, just pure probability and optimism. If you enjoy tension, the kind that makes people lean forward in their chairs, then Pig is your game. This is a push your luck classic. To play, you will need 1 dice and 2 or more players. The object of the game is to be the first to reach 100 points. On your turn, you roll the die as many times as you like. Each roll adds to your running total for that turn. But if you roll a 1, you score 0 for the turn, and your turn ends immediately. At any moment before rolling a 1, you may choose to hold, banking your accumulated points safely. Pig isn't about complex strategy. It's psychological warfare. Do you stop at 20 points? Push for 30? Tempt fate for 40? The tension escalates rapidly, especially when someone is just a few points away from winning. Straight Shooter brings a hint of poker-like flair to dice gaming. The aim is all about building a sequence. To play, you will need 6 dice and 2 or more players. A turn consists of a player rolling all 6 dice. After the roll, look at your numbers and check whether you can form a consecutive sequence starting with 1. The longer the sequence, the bigger the reward. You roll once, you score, you pass. There's no overthinking, no complicated strategy. Luck sits squarely in the driver's seat for this game. Dice have endured for thousands of years. They predate modern gaming systems by millennia, and yet they still captivate. Why? Because dice games strip entertainment down to its essentials: chance, choice, and social interaction. There's no battery life to worry about, no Wi-Fi signal required, no updates to install. Just a handful of cubes and a table. So the next time boredom knocks, or friends gather without a plan, grab some dice and let them fall where they may.